Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this tutorial video is about doing a factory reset on an old Android phone. Now, I have a new phone, everything is working great. I want to recycle or give this phone away, so I just want to completely erase it. I want to make sure that none of my information, none of my account info is still on this phone. You just go to Settings, and you find Reset. Backup and reset. I don't care about backing up. I know I already have everything I need. I have a new phone. So I just do a delete all data and restore default settings. Factory data reset. Reset phone. Now you do have to know the code to get into this phone. It won't let just anybody pick up a phone and delete all the data from it. So that proves that you're the owner. I'm going to delete all. This phone will restart twice. Do not remove the battery. Reset. So that was the first reboot. Welcome. So this is just like it was brought out of the box from the store. You can, if you are setting it back up for yourself, you would go on from here. But if you're recycling it or giving away, you're done. So I turn it off. When I turn it back on again, it's just going to say welcome. That is factory resetting your phone.